In this video, we're going to use the Press and Snap Spur Grommet dies in the HandyPress and show you how to use them. When using these dies, a hole has to be pre-punched in your fabric assembly. So we're going to put the cutting board on, and we're going to use a Sailrite drill hole cutter. Since we're installing number 1 Spur Grommets, this die requires a number 2 hole cutter. So we're going to install it in the HandyPress and tighten it in the upper shaft with the thumb screw. There are other types of hole cutters that you can use as well. Be sure to use the appropriate size hole cutter for the grommet that you're installing. Lower the lever of the HandyPress to set the sweep compression. Your goal is to have the cutter come in contact with the cutting pad and the lever be all the way down. You can raise or lower the upper shaft by turning it to the right or the left. When the hole cutter comes in contact with the cutting pad and slightly sticks in it, the lever should be all the way down as seen here. Now your sweep compression is set perfectly for hole cutting. We can slide the flat workbench fore and aft to set a fence for the back of our fabric assembly to get the hole in just the right spot and then lock it in place. Our example is a double hem that is 3 layers of Sattler marine grade fabric. It's a Yachtmaster. We punch holes easily by just lowering the lever, and having that fence on the back makes the placement of the hole perfect every time. Now that our holes are punched in our fabric assembly, it's time to remove the cutter die and the cutting pad and install the die adapter for the press and snap tool, which is here, the gold colored one with that black O-ring. It screws onto the upper shaft, so screw it on all the way up to the upper shaft. We'll be installing a number 1 Spur Grommet, so we're going to use the die for the press and snap or the handy snap for number 1 Spur Grommets. And you can see that they are slightly different and they are printed with number 1 Spur on the side. We're going to take the upper die, the one that has the male portion, and slide it onto that gold post, and then on the bottom we're going to use the small adapter, and it has a pip. Make sure the pip goes in the hole in the base of the HandyPress. Do not use the thumb screw here. And then we're going to slide the lower portion of that spur die into the lower adapter. Again, we have to set the sweep compression, so I'm going to lower the lever all the way down, and you can raise or lower the upper shaft by turning it to the right or the left. Your goal is to have those 2 dies touch each other and stop, as you can see here, and then turn it back about 1/2 turn or 1 full turn, and that is a pretty good starting spot. We're going to use the Spur Grommet, and we're going to take the male portion of the Spur Grommet, which is typically called an eyelet, and we're going to push the barrel of that grommet through the hole that we created. It'll be a tight fit. It can go on either side of our fabric assembly. We place it on the outside because usually the hem is on the inside of our fabric assembly. Then we're going to take our washer, this is the one with the teeth, and place it right over top of that barrel. Lower the lever of the HandyPress, and if you need to make adjustments for your first grommet, just raise or lower the upper shaft until you get that sweet feel, much like a vice grip would feel. Here we're going to install one more. We've already inserted the eyelet into our hole, and the washer goes on top. Depress the lever. Yes, it's that easy to install Spur Grommets with the press and snap dies and the Sailrite HandyPress. Thanks for watching.